functions, we have to show that there is no maximum minimum. See, f dash x is equal to 1 by x. We know log x domain. X is greater than 0 is domain. So what we observe? F dash x is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to positive real numbers. Okay, it means for all x is greater than 0. So it is always increasing function. Similarly here, f dash x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. We get 3 common, we get x plus x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. So this can be written as 3 times x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So basically this becomes 3 times x plus 1 by 3 whole square, close the bracket, and this becomes 3 means 2 by 9. It is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to real numbers. Basically, if you see the graph also, what happens? The graph looks like this. Log x graph, we all know this is the log x graph. Throughout it is increasing. This is 1, 0. Concave down, throughout it is increasing. Similarly, other one, if you try to draw the graph of it, the function was x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So what happens? The graph will go like this. So keep on increasing. At x equal to 0, you get 0, 1. Suppose we take minus 2. What happens? Minus 8 minus plus 4 minus 2 plus 1. This is f of minus 2. So we get minus 10, you get negative. So you get minus negative. F of minus 2 is negative. Now suppose I take minus 1, f of minus 1. F of minus 1 will give you minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel, you get 0. So it means it is satisfying 1. Minus 1. If you put minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, it will satisfy. It is crossing, minus 1 is one of the root. So just keep on increasing. F dash x is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to real numbers. Therefore, both the functions are increasing functions.